Alright, so we're going to start up a little demo here of what we expect the final output to be. So it'll be a title. You could have some flavor text there as well underneath the title name. Here we just have the two options, new game and exit to desktop. If you select exit to desktop, it'll say, are you sure you want to leave? And you can say, yes, I'm sure by clicking 2, or you can say, no, I want to stay, and do 1. If you want to select an option that does not exist, the system will say, hey, that doesn't exist, please try again. Again, we can confirm that the new game works by selecting that option. It says, let's party with your discount Walmart Toad. And then it will end the application. And if we start the application again, not rename it, but actually start it, there we go, title, back to the title menu. And then if we do exit, and we say we want to leave, see you next time, Space Cowboy, and then it'll exit. So that is basically what we expect to produce during this episode.